Good morning, class 5. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing fine, happy, healthy, strong, and taking care of yourselves, right? So, great. So, today we'll be on another chapter of your English folder course book. Okay, so we will be on India. Okay, we are going to do the chapter India. One poem was there, How the Leaves Came Down. That I did not do because I want to do a chapter with you which will be much more better. Poem, I'll explain it. I want to give a much more better explanation for that. Okay, so come to the page. Oh, we have done Grandpa Fights an Ostrich, and then we are coming to India. Unit 5. Okay, we have to come to know about India. What is India all about? Now I can give you a vast explanation, isn't it? Which will include a lot of information. But we have to go with the book as well, and you have to understand also. You have to know your country in a very bigger way, which is called unity of diversity. What is unity of diversity? That we have different food, we have different cultures, we have different clothes, what we wear, isn't it? So many religions, so many worshippings going on, so many people of different cultures, different languages, and different states. If we ever want to find out something, we do have an encyclopedia which says that there are books, the actual facts, based on facts. We have encyclopedia, we have the Google, we can get all information, right? India is a country in Southeast Asia. Okay. Basic information. It's actually officially the Republic of India. It's a country in Southeast Asia. It is the second most populous country, the seventh largest country by area, and the most populous democracy in the world. President is Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Capital is New Delhi. Population is, in 2080 it was said, in 135.26 crores. Prime Minister is Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, this is the information we have. The Hindi name is, we call it Bharat. So just let me give you some more information, and after that I'll go to the book. Okay. So we have the information for our country. You must be knowing quite a lot of things, and we know a lot of information about our country. May be total information or may not be total information. Okay. So officially it's Republic of India. It's called Hindi, it's called Bharat Ganarajya. It's a country in the Southeast Asia, I told you. Our motto of India is Satyame Jayate. Truth alone triumphs. It's the winning of the truth. Second most populous country, the seventh largest country by area. and the most populous democracy in the world. It is bounded by the Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea on the southwest, that's Mumbai side, and Bay of Bengal is from the Kolkata side and Odisha side on the southeast. It shares land borders with Pakistan to the west, China, Nepal, Bhutan to the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east. Now, in the Indian Ocean, India is in the vicinity of Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Its Andaman Nicobar Islands share a same maritime border with Thailand and Indonesia. Maritime is the sea water, marine. Modern humans arrived in India from Africa 55,000 years ago. And our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Their occupation when they came to this country, our India country, initially in varying forms of isolation of hunters and gatherers. Second only to Africa in human genetic diversity. Settled life, they stayed in India on the western margin, the Indus River basin 9,000 years ago. By 1200 BCE, before that, then the Indus Valley civilization came. Sanskrit came in. Then an Indo-European language came in from the northwest, unfolding the language of the Rig Veda. Then Hinduism started. The Dravidian languages came in. Then caste emerged with Hinduism in 400 BCE. Then Buddhism, Jainism started coming up. This is all happening. Then 1947, before that the British was there. It was divided into two parts, Hindu and Muslim, Pakistan and India. Lot of people were this side, that side happened. This is what all happened. Basic information. What is the modern India we know? From 1848 to 1885, British, that's the time when they came in. 1947 we had our independence. We have deserts, we have rivers, we have oceans, three sides we have water. India's got the majority of world's wild tigers, nearly 3,000. They were in 2019. Okay. So now we'll go to the story. Let's see what's there on Unit 5. Okay. That's the basic information I gave. India Republic, Hindi name is Bharat. A country in the southern Asia, as I told you. The seventh largest in the world. Its population is the second largest in the world. This population is remarkably diverse. Lot of cultures, lot of different type of people. That is called diverse. Great variety, lot of different type of people. It has more than 2,000 ethnic groups regarding to religion, culture, these are the things, ethnic groups who follow that. And every major religion is represented as 4 major families of languages. Every major religion is here. आज major four families of languages: English, Hindi, and that state language, and another extra language. Christian, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh. Christian, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh. 4 languages, 4 people, 4 religions. The word India comes from the word Indus, which is derivative of the ancient Persian word Hindu. It is based on something else. It was based on the river Indus, so India came in. Sanskrit word Sindhu, which was the historical name for the Indus river. I'll come back in the next video.